Okay, this is Ariel Fernandez with a presentation of my final project for the code section of Summer Bootcamp. For my final project, I made a drawing tool, so you can see it's a picture frame with white in the center and some text over it. I can use the mouse to click and draw, and now I have a bunch of black circles that are trailing the mouse, leaving a nice little area of black. You'll also notice that I'm wearing a glove. This is a glove made with an Arduino, an accelerometer, some force-sensitive resistors. So we're going to use this to interact with the sketch a little bit. If I take my index finger and press it to something, then I can now draw with red. If I use my middle finger, I can draw with green. My ring finger, I can draw with blue. I can also use two colors at the same time, the same way you would mix the RGB spectrum and get the secondary colors like yellow, cyan, magenta, and then by altering the colors, by altering the pressure on each of my fingers, I can create all the colors in the spectrum by mixing different amounts of RGB. If I want to clear the canvas, I just have to wave my hand, and it erases the canvas, and I have a fresh surface to draw on. Another thing you can do is you can take your hand, put it up like you were taking a picture with an actual camera, and then click your fingers together, and you get a photo taken with the computer's webcam, and then you can draw all sorts of fun stuff. If you really don't like the photo, you can take your hands, put them in the shape of the gun, shoot up the canvas a little bit, or you can erase it like you normally would. Another thing you can do is you can take each of the individual fingers that control for color, and you can throw paint at the screen. You can do that with all of the colors. And that's almost all the gestures that I programmed into this, with the exception of one that I saved for the very end in celebration of bootcamp being over. So here's the last gesture. And that's it. Thanks for watching.